Hello students, welcome back to your online class. In my last video, I was teaching adverbs to the students of standard 5. I had taught you about 5 different kinds of adverbs and I explained in detail adverb of manner and adverb of place. Now today, I'll be explaining the 3 different kinds of adverbs which was left. Now this is the third one, adverbs of time. Now what is adverbs of time? These adverbs tell us when an action takes place. Time means when. So they answer the question when. Like suppose he came yesterday. So when did he come? He came yesterday. So yesterday is adverb over here. But how we'll know what kind of adverb it is? So yesterday tells us about the time when he came. So this yesterday is adverb of time. Then I want it now. Now means time. It tells you about the time now. So this is adverb. So this is adverb of time. When do I want it? I want it now. So now is adverb of time. Then the fourth one is adverbs of degree. Now adverbs of degree tell us the degree or extent to which something happens. That means to what extent something has happened. They answer the question how much or to what degree. Like for example, she entirely agrees with him. So how much does she agree with him? How much, to what extent or degree? To what extent, how much or to what extent or to what degree she entirely agrees with him. So how much does she agree with him? Entirely. So this entirely is adverb over here. So what kind of adverb it is? It is adverb of degree. Then the next one, see, like Mary is very beautiful. So how beautiful is Mary? To what extent? Okay, how much beautiful is Mary? So very beautiful. So very is used here as an adverb and this is adverb of degree. Then the last kind is adverbs of frequency. Now what is adverbs of frequency? It tells us how often an action is done. See the difference between degree and frequency. Degree tells us to what extent or how much, but frequency tells us how often an action has been done. How often? Like they deliver the newspaper daily. So how often they deliver the newspaper? Daily. So here daily is here used as an adverb. So this is adverb of frequency. Daily is adverb of frequency. Like see, we sometimes watch a movie. Now here sometimes is used here as an adverb. So sometimes is adverb over here. How often we watch a movie? How often? Okay. So sometimes or rarely. We rarely watch a movie or we seldom watch a movie. So these words tell us about the frequency, means how often. Like I go to school every day, okay, or I go to my friends very rarely, means once in a while. So these all words are used here as an adverb of frequency. So these were the three another different kinds, that is adverb of time, adverb of degree and adverb of frequency. I hope you have understood all these 5 different kinds of adverbs by now. Place, manner, place, time, degree and frequency. So that's all in this chapter. So thank you once again.